Here's a quick tutorial on how to process a card payment with CryptoBucks. Once you log in, the first step is to connect your card reader to your device. Go to My Profile, scroll down to Device. From here, you need to turn on your device's Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is on, we need to turn on your card reader. Press the power button until the blue light is firm. Now that the device is connected, we can go ahead and process this sale. Let's go back to the home screen, select Merchant Sale, Credit Card, enter the amount of the sale, then hit Continue, Continue, wait for the reader to initialize, and now we could swipe or insert or tap to complete payment. For this example, we'll insert the card. Once the card's inserted, that sale is processing. The app tells you to remove the card. And this sale was approved. You do have the option to email a receipt to your customer. Select Finish. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for listening.